So for this question, find the area of the region enclosed by y squared equals to 4 minus x and the line. So this is a linear graph. Y equals to x minus 2. You can see intersection. Y intercept negative 2. Gradient positive. So this graph is going up. Intercept at negative 2. Then this graph is going up. Linear. So for y squared, it will be concave left hand side or right hand side. Actually, it is a parabola graph. So when you have y squared equals to 4 minus x, it will be a parabola graph, concave left hand side or right hand side. Whether we know it left hand side or right hand side, we see the coefficient x here. Coefficient x here is negative, means it's concave to left hand side. So it will be in this shape, a C shape like that. Alright, so we're going to find out what is your intersection at y-axis. Let x equals to 0, y squared equals to 4, so y will be equals to positive negative square root 4. So your intersection at y-axis will be positive negative 2. So negative 2 and positive 2. So your curve, yes. Alright. So you have to draw it symmetrically. So we draw it symmetrically here. Then we draw our graph, draw back our line going up. Then you will see it more clearly. So the region enclosed by the curve and the line, it happened at this region. Ditutup oleh line dengan curve. So kawasan sini. So we're going to observe this region horizontally. Means the formula that we're going to use for this area will be integrate lower limit up to upper limit function in terms of y dy horizontally. Like this. So you cannot do vertically, because vertically it will be your graph back to your graph region. It will be touch back your graph here. From graph here, touch back your graph here. Can you see it? If you do this, your graph, your own graph touch back to your own graph, right? So you cannot do horizontally, you cannot do dx. Only the way is dy. So what is your intersection point here? Alright, so you can see the one of the intersection point is negative 2, so we have to find out intersection point. Let our equation in terms of y first. Let our equation in terms of y. So the first graph here, where y squared equals to 4 minus x, let x as a subject, and then in terms of y we move. So equation 1. Because we want to dy, so every function, everything in terms of y. We do intersection point also, let the function in terms of y, then you can get this upper limit value y. So for second function, the linear here, y equals to x minus 2, let it in terms of y means x to be the subject. Move your 2, will be y plus 2. So substitute into 1 and 2. Substitute 1 into 2. So a quadratic here, simplify. So intersection point happen at y equals to 1, y equals to negative 2. So negative 2 already have. Here is y equals to 1. Therefore, our area will be start integrate from the lower limit, -2, up to 1. The function at the right, which is x equals to 4 minus y squared, minus the function at the right hand side, left hand side here. The right one minus the left one. So the left one in terms of y, our linear in terms of y, it will be y plus 2 dy. Then we simplify before we integrate. Plus 2. Then we can start integrate already. Power plus 1 over new power. Constant, we get 2y. When you in terms of y, so your unknown use here everything in y. Lastly, perform our step, upper limit minus lower limit.